Start your ceramic tile layout by snapping a single reference line from which all measurements flow. For precise layout lines, begin by establishing a control line from the room midpoint or the most visible wall using a chalk line and a reliable tape measure, then work outward to keep tile cuts balanced at opposite edges. Use a laser level set on a tripod when walls or floors are out of plumb to project perfectly straight reference lines across the entire plane. Set the laser at the finished floor height for wall tile or along the established center line for floor tile. Employ a carpenter square to verify 90-degree corners and to transfer your reference line to adjoining walls without guesswork. Mark tiles lightly with a pencil or non-permanent marker at the intersection of the grout joint to preserve layout when you dry fit pieces. When laying out long runs, measure and dry lay at least 3 full tiles from the control line toward each wall to confirm spacing and to catch cumulative error before you thin set. For diagonal or pattern layouts, snap parallel chalk lines at the tile diagonal spacing and use a simple trammel made from a straight edge and pencil to draw consistent offset lines across large areas. Common mistakes include starting from a corner that is not square, which leads to uneven cuts at the far wall, so always check squareness and shift your control line to the room midpoint if corners are off. Another issue is relying solely on a single tool like only a tape measure, which compounds small errors, so combine tape measure, chalk line, and laser to cross-check all critical dimensions. A third problem is marking too heavily or with permanent ink, which can show through some glazes, so mark lightly with pencil and confirm marks with a dry lay before committing to adhesive. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by providing a place to find professionals and compare approaches for tile layout and installation. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share photos of layouts, and discuss tools and techniques so we all learn and find the right help.